Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, OnStar, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.